Hey guys, you ever wonder why your standing pilot furnace won't start? Well, here's why. That's me right there messing with the gas pilot. So on this call, the flame was out. Basically, what we're talking about, the customer complained that their furnace wasn't coming on. I came out, opened the door, noticed that it was a standing pilot furnace and the flame was not lit. So I'm lighting the flame now. So you turn your gas valve to pilot and you push it down. Some of them have igniters on it. This one, I just used a little paper and my lighter and I got that pilot light lit. So now I'm holding it. The thermocouple's gonna register that is good. And once it registers, I'll let it go and I'll turn that to on, plug it back up, and we're gusto. So a lot of times these pilots go out because of a draft. This one's in the garage, so you let that garage up on a windy day, fluke, even though it's in a closet. Sometimes the drafts from the attics will do it. The thermocouple itself, if the thermocouple stop reading right, bam, it's out of here. Safety. If you got a bad heat exchanger or any kind of safety switch, that'll trigger that gas valve to shut that pilot light off as well. Another thing, the orifice. This is where the gas comes out. So if you got a bad gas valve or a dirty orifices, it's gonna cut your gas pressure down. That'll keep that bad boy from coming on too. So I hope these tips help you guys out. Hey, like this video. If you want other tips, check out some of the other ones. Stay elite and good luck troubleshooting your furnace.